Assalamu alaikum. Early Standard Mathematics A by Cantab publisher, and remember that all the books of Cantab are approved by Punjab Curriculum and Textbook Board, and our slogan is One Curriculum, One Nation. And our today's topic, we are going to talk about number 5. Firstly, we will focus on the recognition of number 5, and finally we will enable the student to practice writing number 5. It means that SLO will be like that students will be able to count up to number 5, they will be able to recognize number 5, and they will be able to trace number 5. So let's start the lesson. I will show them different objects and I will encourage them to count the objects. Okay students, how many pencils are there in my hand? Yes Ali, you please tell me. One pencil. Very good. Now, let's count together. 1, 2. Ooh. Now look at here. 1, 2, 3. Good. Count again. 1, 2, 3, 4 pencils. And if I add one more, not on. Now look at here. How many pencils are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pencils. I am having 5 pencils in my hand. And I am having, they are looking very nice. Fish. Okay. 1 fish. 2 fish. 3, 4, and 5. I am having 5 fish in my hand. 5 fish. And I am having different fruits. Yummy, yummy. Let's count how many fruits are there with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am having 5 fruits with me. Now, can you please raise up your hand like this? Raise it. Let's count the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's your turn to count your fingers. Please count your fingers. Very good. Now look at the board. Look at here. I'm going to trace my hand here. Look at here. Done. And there it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here comes 5. This is Mr. 5. This is Mr. 5. Now look at the board. Look at the board. Look at the board. I am drawing flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 flowers. These are 5 flowers. Look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 stars. These are 5 stars. Good. Now what you can do? You can write a big number 5 on the board. Like this. Oh, let me erase and give it a proper shape. A better one. And you can draw pictures related to number 5. Look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at here now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's not 5. Now it's 5. Now you can draw something odd like this. 1, 2, 3. Now invite the students and ask them to count the pictures, count the objects and match it with number 5. Ali, you come here, count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Match it. Done. Manzar, you come, count the triangles. 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Done. After this, you can invite the students for different games. For example, you can give them Play-Doh. You can ask them to roll the Play-Doh into a coil like this. We are rolling a coin up to 5 to make a number 5. Roll the coin, roll the coin, roll the coin, roll the coin. Wow, coil. Now you can ask your student to form number 5 with this, like this. Ow. I have to rub some more. Rub, 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 rub. Ow. Number 5. Number 5. You can divide the students into different groups. You can assign them different kind of work to be done by them. For example, you can give them different flashcards and you can ask them to separate the flashcards showing 5 objects. Then what you can do, you can give them blocks and you can ask them to use 5 blocks to build up or to make up anything or object. And what you can do, you can give them a piece of a paper like this and you can ask them to draw 5 objects here on the piece of a paper. Yes. And what you can do, you can invite them for an other board activity. For example, write number 5 like this. Invite the students one by one and encourage them to draw 5 objects here. You can ask them to go around the class and collect 5 different objects. You have to keep them busy regarding to or related to the concept of number 5. After doing all these activities, have your sand tray with you. Invite them to trace number 5 there. Raise your hand like this. Belly. And then cap. Belly. And cap. Encourage them to practice writing number 5 on the sand tray. Let them count the objects around themselves which are 5 in number. Encourage them to open their bag and to pick out 5 objects from their bag. And finally ask them to open the book, go with the book, have the introduction of number 5 from the book, then encourage them to use crayon or pencil to draw or to trace number 5 by following their arrows. Done? And what you can do, you can ask them to show their 5 fingers to their partner and count 5 fingers to him. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The tracing work can also be given in the form of a worksheet, or you can give the other page of the book, or you may ask them to trace number 5 in the notebook, and for that you have to write down number 5 in the dotted form. We humbly request you and we suggest you to dedicate at least 4 periods for this very purpose. The purpose is recognition of number 5, counting up to number 5 and tracing of number 5. Thank you very much.